everybody. Out here at Ritidian today, just taking a little swim, see what I can find. A little bit wavy, so we're limited in the area we can explore, but the water's cold. It's a beautiful day at Ritidian. Let's check out the waves.
Where's Shirley? There's an octopus. Where's Shirley? Well, what is it? An octopus. An octopus? Okay, I'm coming.
Well, Rhonda found an octopus, so she called me over to catch it. She's pretty good at finding octopuses as well, and I'm the only one that had tools today, so I got the privilege of catching the octopus. And she has a new GoPro that she was filming, and she got the first part of me trying to catch the octopus, and then I dug around the hole with my hands a little bit, and then I used that tool again, and it came right out, and then it stuck to my face for a little bit, as you will see coming up here. I wish I did have a better hook. I could have pulled him right out if it was a better handle. I have had octopus pull off the little round thing in my snorkel before, so I always get a little bit worried when they're around my face. They'll reach up there and pull it off. But thankfully I had a little helper there, so it was a little easier to get off my arm. He's got a good grip on me.
There we go. All right. We're getting complete coverage. I'm gonna need to borrow your filming. Now my camera is fine. How many octopuses do you have in your freezer? I have no idea. I put 3 more in there last couple weeks ago, but okay, here's the ink sac. So I have just not only dispatched of the octopus, but cleaned it at the same time, so it won't suffer. Well, we got an octopus here today. Now if I can stand up, I'll show you. Got him already caught. Rhonda and Joy found it. Well, Rhonda found it. And she has her new GoPro camera, so she got some video of me catching it. Finally.
triggerfish have a short spine on the top, near their dorsal fin, that when they swim in a hole, it's laying on top of their body. But then, if they're threatened, they shoot it straight up, so they cannot be pulled out of their hole. That's why they're called a triggerfish. That is their trigger. And now for some cool waves.
Hanging on here to the rock and watching the waves, and I saw a couple of arthritic cocks just hanging out. Let's check those out.
Please join me in these videos at the end for more fun octopus videos. And please consider subscribing to be alerted to more snorkeling adventures. Thank you so much for watching, and please smash that like button.